Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this powder. This is bell pepper powder, aka Tatashe. We call it Tatashe here in Nigeria. So I'm going to show you how I made powder with the Tatashe. Keep watching. So treasures, we're going to be making bell pepper powder. We're going to be drying this and making powder with it. So I'm going to wash this, then open the inside to remove the seed from it. At a point I had to just wash and remove the seeds, then sit down, cut it with my knife and a cotton bud. And if you're also going to make this, please wear your hand glove because this pepper was hurting. When I finished, it was hurting on my palm. So I'm warning you now, wear your hand glove. The peppers I transferred into a sieve, left it there to drain some waters before I now transfer into my trays for sun. I will now take them out to the sun to sun dry. You can also dry this in your oven or dehydrate. Days under sun, I transferred back into my oven tray and oven dried it, or I dried it in the oven for about 1 hour. One, to get that smoky or roasted flavor, and then for it to be well dried, because the sun didn't give me that well dried. I don't know if you understand what I mean. It was not that crispy dry, so but the oven gave me that crispy dry. So our next step now is to grind it into powder to get our bell pepper powder or Tatashe powder. And you can easily do this in the house. The pepper is not strong. Here we have our bell pepper powder or Tatashe or paprika powder. We'll follow one last step. I'm going to sieve this to get a smooth powder. You can leave it like this if you want, but I'm going to. Here is the final look of our bell pepper powder or paprika powder or Tatashe powder. Call it any way you prefer. Store this in an airtight container or Ziploc bag and add to your stews and sauces. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you did, give us a thumbs up and also share to your friends and the family. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.